Okay. Yeah, yesterday we were exploring the options in the catalog section, I believe, right? So, how to add the products, how to bulk upload the products, and the section basically provides you information about which products are in the drafts, and it also gives you the report about the quality of the listings, and you can manage the images and videos from the section, which you can use for various products. So on WordPress, you all must have seen the media or library, right? Same way on Amazon Seller Central, you can have all the images and videos at one page, one place, and it all can be associated with excuse me, it all can be associated with different products, right? And manage product documents, which we haven't seen it. So here this section is providing details about what kind of documents can be uploaded to the along with the products. Okay, so look at this. It's providing information about the permitted product documents such as certification of analysis, certificate of compliance, emergency use authorization amendment, fact sheet. Okay, installation manual, instructions for use, user guide, user manual, right? So this section is providing you all kinds of details about the types of documents that you can upload. They don't encourage you to upload any kind of document that you want. Okay, so only these kinds of documents will be permitted to upload, or they approve and actively show up on your listing. Okay. So manage all inventory shows you list of all the products and the number of pieces or the stocks available. Yeah, this thing we have already seen. Sell globally. So you'll have to apply here to which all regions or countries you want to sell. Account setup. India, it's all set up. Japan, America. Okay. So if you already have a selling account, you can link the selling account, link accounts. So account will have some ID. So you don't see any options here. You see only one account, and you have an option to rename that account. Below are the accounts of which you are the owner, and also accounts of which you are a member. See now from this place we don't add the account. I'll show it to you from a different place we add the accounts. Okay. So on registration of multiple regions or accounts, you will get to see all of them here, and you can consider merging some of those accounts. So since this is not actively running account, you don't see many of them here. I mean, lots of data you might not find. Okay, so now look at this pricing health. Also, you would not find any kind of information here because there are limited set of products, and their performance is also negligible, and they're not even getting into any kind of competition. Otherwise, it would have shown how other people are selling the same product, what kind of price, and what is the pricing health. See, it's showing you product name and price health issue, minimum price or maximum price, recommended price. It would have shown you the recommended price, price plus shipping, recommended price. So see, basically their algorithm studies the product and similar such products, similar sellers, various other sellers who are selling the similar products. Okay, and it suggests at what price you should be selling, and what kind of minimum price or maximum price you have to keep it. Okay, Okay, so they will give you the various references, the sources which all they are considering to provide you the pricing health in this section. So this again takes you to the same section where you can edit the prices and manage the prices, resolve price alerts. So you probably get the alerts pertaining to your product's price, updated pricing health experience. So you can go through the list. So you will have the alerts here in this section, the same section as we have seen, but you will be able to take action. So if it is suggesting okay your price has to be decreased by 20 percentage, you will be able to decrease it from this section. If you use build international listings, then the price changes through automate price will be picked up by the BIL, build international listings. Any synchronized across marketplaces, the synchronization will take a few minutes. Okay. So basically, this automated thing, if you are building across if you are selling across various country, uh, then the changes, the price variations or difference that are happening on your account, or if you have put it wrongly, so now this setting would probably take care of that, and it makes it the even price across. This is not working for me. Okay, automate pricing is a powerful tool. The automate pricing tool uses rules that you create to automatically adjust your prices for listings which you select. Okay, so when you automate pricing, changes can happen instantly without further action by you. You remain responsible for your prices. Click continue to confirm that you understand how automated prices works. I'm not able to use this feature at all for some reason. Okay. Okay. See, these kinds of settings would probably allow you to have a competitive advantage over your competition. So basically, this studies how your competitors are bidding and same SKU. So people, ASIN. So same ISIN. If it's a same product sold by your competitor, the ASIN number would remain same for everybody, and it studies the pricing of different sellers, the ASIN pricing, and accordingly it would try to optimize your listing prices, but this is not functional on this account. Okay, see a lot of these things. Okay, here this is manage orders, have an option to take lifetime orders. So this company doesn't use sent. Okay, date self ship. So there are actually some orders. uh, why is it not showing? So basically, this section provides you details with all the orders that you have received and the status of the same. Okay. See, when order is received by you, you it will be in the pending status, right? And once it is shipped, it's the status will be sent, and if you're canceling it, it will be cancelled and unshipped. And you have two methods here. Easy ship is Amazon shipping. Sorry, this is seller fulfilled, easy shipping, and self ship. So self ship, there are no orders at all here. Self ship or easy ship. No, it's not showing up any orders in this interface. Okay, but you get to see all of the orders here in case if you. So, but then this account. So, why I'm wondering is this account had some orders. So, in the last 365 days, it had some orders. I don't know why it is showing. Okay, we'll see other sections. But you all should be. I should do the ship order. Maybe here we will see. So on a daily basis, if you have orders, you get to see a lot of data around your orders here, and you can bulk download the orders information. Okay. See, when people have few hundreds or thousands of orders on a daily basis or weekly basis, so Amazon, so when there are orders, you have to manually update the information. So processing, shipped, and also now what you can do is you can download all of them and you can bulk upload the status. Since we don't have any orders here, we won't be able to study. So what I'll do is we will try adding more products to this account. Next time we will get to see more products. I'll be sending that uh, record and access to you as well if possible. Okay. Everything related to the orders, returns and managed safety claims. What is the safety claims? So basically, you can claim the product which is been damaged by Amazon in the transits. Okay, so we'll have to understand, go through the complete policy, what it says, and they are telling that within 50 days of the 15 days, within 15 days of the damage occurred, so your safety claim has to be raised or claimed. So and it provides details about the products for which all you are raising the claims and the dates and various other details around the same. Okay, so this is another important thing which is the main part, campaign manager. So advertising.amazon.com. So you must have seen ads on Amazon. Are you all aware of ads on Amazon? Have you all seen ads on Amazon while exploring different products on Amazon? Have you all observed the ads on Amazon ever? Everybody? Okay, so this is something again very much similar to the Google ads. Okay, so now look at this. We have so many campaigns which were created in the past, and we have spent as well. Okay, so but for all of your understanding, we will launch one new campaign today. Okay, see all other sections whichever we have seen now, they're all easy to understand and explore once you have the data or once you have an active account. Okay. Before advertising, let me do one thing. Advertising, we will do it in the next class because if I start it now, it takes more time. We will explore all of this, and advertising we will do it in the next week. Okay. So let's come back to other options. Growth, growth opportunities. So Amazon will suggest various kinds of opportunities on your account which you can make use of. So basically this section provides you lots of information of the data. So if you are actively running the campaigns, or if you have lots of products, and if you are doing some business around the products, okay, so since this account is inactive from very long time, okay, you don't see any data. The moment we start optimizing, the moment we start uploading a lot of products, you get to see different kinds of data, top 50 opportunities. So eligible products now have keyword suggestions for create sponsored products and recommendations. Check them out with your top 50 opportunities or by clicking on create sponsored product ad within the left hand side navigation panel. Okay, so we'll discuss all of this. What is create a plus content? See, sometimes on Amazon you must have seen a very detailed page. Have you ever experienced it? A very informative page, very detailed page. How many of you have experienced it? So there will be lots of information about the product, even with images. So our web page on Amazon website, if your web page is optimized with lots of information, they are called as A plus content, A plus comparison table. Okay. There are no recommendations basically here. Learn more about A plus content. Quality A plus content may improve sales by increasing conversions and may reduce returns by helping customers better understand your product. To identify these recommendations, we estimate the potential of your products based on performance of similar products on Amazon and highlight your highest potential ASINs that don't yet have A plus content. This type of growth opportunity is only available to brands. Okay, so A plus content is basically it's a feature where you can make your web page look highly informative. Okay, so on any page you can add a content, tables, FAQs, constellated information. Okay, so there are various kinds of details. So we have registered through Amazon brand registry process, and hence we will be able to put A plus content. See, A plus content is not a feature available for everybody. Basically, this is a feature where Amazon also has to facilitate a lot of things, lot of fields, additional fields. It takes a lot of Amazon server or space as well, and hence this is not allowed or not provided for everybody, except for the brands which have registered with Amazon brand registry process. Okay. Okay, I have told you already. This will improve the conversion rates. Okay, so the basic information or details for A plus content will be provide more details on the product features and uses to complement the bullet points and images on the main product detail page. So next to your product, you will be able to add certain basic details like the bullet points and detailed information. The additional details help customers make purchase decisions more proactively, answering their questions. The basic A plus content appears in the product description section of the detail page and includes access to a diverse set of modules or layouts for content creation. Look out this. Look at this. Access to diverse set of modules or layouts for content creation. Custom paragraph headers and images. Unique image and text layouts. Product comparison charts, rich text editor including bulleted number features list. Comparison charts allow for a minimum of two products or two attributes to compare items in a product line or across your brand. So, are you all getting this, guys? Everybody? Maybe. Are you all getting it? Okay, see now they have made use of this option or opportunity A plus content. This is called as, see, a web page. See what we have created a few days back did not had all these details. So now look at this. We had only a few So this is all called as A plus content, A plus comparison. So that's the Amazon terminology A plus. Okay, they have provided so many details. So a brand will be able to provide so many details with the options or features available with A plus content management. So this is what we have seen on the products now. Okay, so I quickly showed you some products. So they have made use of all of these options and they have presented it all very nicely. And if you look at what we have added a few days back, you would not see any such thing. A plus page. This is not a A plus page. Okay, so it's not converted to A plus. A plus. That's why this page is not that informative or detailed. Now look at these pages. See a custom image, such a big image. Comparison. See now this is all added by customer on their product page. This way. So you can build a custom good looking page as well. That's the beauty of this A plus option available. Okay. So this is something available for everybody. But these kinds of are all additional inputs. Okay. There is nothing at all. There's nothing much. You just see uh, manufacturer or seller information. That's all. And here certain directions to use. This is common for everybody, every product. That's it. Nothing much. Nothing much. It's all are from Amazon page only. Nothing much. Okay. So this section, Amazon selling coach. In order to provide you with more accurate information, all inventory related data may now be found in MY for MFN units, restock inventory report for FPA units. See, are you all sensing that there is so much to learn from Amazon Seller Central? Everybody, there is so much. This might take another 2 3 months if we have to explore every single detail on this page. Okay. Anyways, whatever possible, we'll explore and understand. Okay. So basically, this section allows you to helps you for what kind of products opportunities you have. Uh, so how can you improve your shipping services if they are getting delayed? So this section covers a lot of that information. Okay. So how many you have to keep in stock considering the previous historical data? Okay. So how many units you have to maintain? Couple of such details will be seen under Amazon Selling Coach. Okay, so you can for this steady comparison brands used to modify recommendations. You can tell that for with which all brands you want to compare, with which all brands you want to compare, and which all brands you don't want to compare. You can mention those brand names here, and these sections will provide you the education or details accordingly. Yeah. So here all the email recommendations that you get from the Amazon selling code section will be shown under this section, and you can pick it by the dates. Go to email settings tab to update your delivery preferences. Okay. Use this page to search for recommendations. Search by product name, brand, category, or ASN. Let's see. Okay. So when you have multiple products, for every product, how they are searched, you get basically the list of keywords here. Keywords pertaining to your products. It's like a Google Search Console. Google Search Console, you get to see right data, keywords for so many I mean like each web page will be ranking for so many keywords. Same way here, you can explore by your products, and this account doesn't have anything as such, and you will not see any kind of search recommendations associated with any of the products. The list includes all of the items you have chosen from selling coach opportunities, refined opportunities. So from selling coach, you see a lot of suggestions and you can finalize. You can, that all shows up here. Whenever you finalize the products for any action that you see on the selling coach, all the finalized items will show up here. You must have handpicked certain things, certain implementations. and you would get to see all of them here. Recommended and displayed in the language. Use the edit button to change your language preferences. English, email. Okay, fine. Unfortunately, we don't have any kind of data. Otherwise, you would have seen a beautiful reports. How many sales are happening? Okay. So as per the date, today, yesterday, week to date, month to date, year to date, custom dates. So the dates that you pick, accordingly, it would have shown total ordered items and how many are delivered, ordered product sales, average units or order item, average sales or per order, average sales per order item, and units ordered, ordered product sales. So here you get to see, but you won't be able to understand just by looking at this. Okay, so how many units people are ordering pertaining to a product? So one product, how many units? Two, add to cart, people do two, three, four, five, right? Something like that. That data. Ordered product sales, which products are getting sales and how many sales each of those products are getting. You would have seen the product sales here. Okay. So your products has some traffic, but then there are no sales. So this is a tabular presentation, okay? So total sessions, you could see that here, how many people are visiting your products each day. So date wise, look at this, 16/4, 16/5, 5 people. So during this period, you had these many visits. You know why? So there is only one product, Ugadi Pachadi, published from this brand, and during April, that product was in demand, and that's when you got these many hits to that product. And eventually, it became 1002, right? And now, since 2 days, we are visiting the products from different browsers, right? From the same computer, I'm visiting from a different browser, and that's why which used to be 0000, and now since 3 4 days it started 4 5, and moreover we have listed one more product, correct? Fail avoidal is another new product that we have listed, and obviously your product will get to see, people might see that product, or all this could be seen by us only. Usually these views sessions will be in thousands, lakhs, okay? So everything, or various kinds of details around your product you get to see here. So if we have SKU, we can see the SKU performance, which SKU has, okay, date is fine. We don't have SKU. Since there are only two SKUs, I think it's not available. Okay. Just see. Yeah. So you get to see how many orders have been received, refund rate, how quickly the orders are served. So certain other metrics Amazon would consider. So see, Amazon don't want to be refunding. Okay. So if you are see, if people are asking more refunds for your product, then it's considered to be as poor performance. Okay. So it's the same thing by multiple dimensions, different kinds. It's the same table that you get by different metrics. Detailed page sales and traffic by child item, detailed page sales and traffic by parent item. So parent item, can have the variations. So the variations, people would buy variations, and that's the child. Detail page sales and traffic, which we have already seen. Okay, it's the same table presentation day wise, and you get to see. Okay, there's no data here. So you see here recent payouts, 12/4/2024, 409 rupees and 204 rupees. So some sales have happened which we haven't gone in detail to the page. Cash on delivery transactions, electronic transactions, okay, settlement period. So you get to see your earnings here basically in this section. See, just to experiment, we have uploaded one product, and that one product also has got sales in the month of April. That's a festive special product, and hence you see sales only during the month of April. And if you have few tens of products uploaded to Amazon, and if you're taking care of all of these optimizations, you would see a significant number of sales happening. 900 rupees sales, and 227 is being charged by Amazon, and others minus 672.21. Payout amount is zero. So this was actually ad spent, and finally it minused everything, and there is zero. Okay. So when you are receiving payments, there will be various kinds of details around your payments. So so 227 was ad, 674 was a refund in the previous advertising invoice history. Advertising on ads, how much was spent? Uh, like a custom period, there are no invoice. Maybe if we take lifetime, we get to see a invoice, but yeah. So some 141 plus 35 amount billed. We have seen performance already. Selling partner app store, manage your apps. Uh, See, you can start showing, selling on all these apps, showing your ads on all these apps, which even I have never done selling partner app store. Okay, so I'll skip this for now. We'll look into it later. See, you can hire Amazon Seller Central experienced professionals as well from the services section. I don't know where it is now, but then you will be able to find here somewhere. One is advertising. Okay, so let's see advertising optimization. You would see some agencies listed here. Okay, see all these agencies have registered here. Okay, so Amazon is helping business owners to find agencies which can help them to optimize their accounts. Okay, this section is all about that various kinds of services, additional services provided by Amazon. See, even the domestic shipping training. So it's been rated as well. People have taken training from him, and it's been rated. So you can click up, become a provider, and you too can become a provider. So training in all these languages: English first highest, Hindi, and then Gujarati. Okay, fine. We'll come back. B2B. Understand, manage, and grow your sales from customers on Amazon business. See, all this B2B section is especially dedicated for customers, B2B customers, not regular customers. These are all B2B customers. So, providing codes. Let's see this B2B Central. What is this B2B Central? Understand, manage, and grow your sales from customers on Amazon business. New, sharpen your pricing with business discount insights. Not sure how to price your product to attract business customers. Recommendations from the Amazon again. Welcome to Amazon Business Seller Program. We are excited to have you. This section is all about managing their B2B sales. Okay, so they're educating about and a couple of settings as well related to B2B business, linking their GST accounts and couple of other things. product. So if people have requested a custom code, like businesses, like people, individuals will not request for a custom code. Only business accounts will have that option. So if you are registering as a business account, you can ask for a custom code from the seller if you are buying in large quantities, and all those requests will be shown here, and you will be able to manage all of them from this particular section. So now, as in yesterday's class, we were exploring an option to set the discount based on the quantities. Okay. So now here, when you set 5 pieces, we added 4 pieces or 5 pieces. We added 10% discount to one of the product yesterday. Okay. So when you are adding such type of discounts, here you get to see the performance. Here you get to see the performance of such discounts added for the products. Basically, a report section. See, you can register multiple brands pertaining to your business, any number of brands, and you get to manage all of them from this section. Brand analytics, which brand is doing good, which brand is not doing good. Okay, so pertaining to one brand, Contra Foods, and we have one generic as well, brand view Contra Foods, and for what kind of searches, search query score 1 to 10, Bella Jaggery, search query volume, peanut oil 2290 total count, brand count, brand share 0 percentage. So now these are like total number of searches happening for peanut oil on Amazon for the time period taken here. Weekly reporting is for 1 week peanut oil, these many searches are happening. But this brand, did this brand get any traffic? No, nothing at all. Total count 676. Okay. So, but then this brand was eligible for only 676 impressions. Out of this 50,000, this brand was eligible for only 677 impressions. And this brand has some clicks as well. There are search query score 6, where are clicks here, brand count, brand share, total counts. Okay. So, this is total count. There are 676 providers. 676 providers, and for peanut oil, the click-through rate. The click rate is 29.52 for various uh, brands in this segment using these keywords. Okay. Same day shipping speed, there are 13 companies. Total count 310, but only 13 cart add rate. So not everybody are adding the product to the cart. Only 13 percentage of the people are adding it to the cart. So there's so many same day shipping speed. Only two here again. Search funnel after cart. So from cart to same day shipping speed orders will be only two. Total count. Only. It's difficult to understand this data. So much of data, right? So purchases. See now 131 people. See us adding to cart is 13.54 percentage. Of the 13.54 percentage, 13.54 percentage count will be 131. And sorry. See, 310 is 13.54 percentage, and of that only 131 people, of 310 only 131 people are ordering, and that is 5.72 percentage. Okay. And so of this 131 sales, only one is same day shipping, and everybody else have ordered from various other people. Very good insights, very good data here. Okay, so this will be super useful when you uh, are actively running ads, sorry, actively promoting various products on Amazon. So brand registry, you can register your brand from your this brand registry section. Okay, so you have register your brand and you have various guidelines to be followed. See here, first thing, look at this. Please have your trademark information or documents in hand before you begin enrolling the brand. This will be needed to verify trademark ownership. If a business owns the trademark, we may need additional information to verify the business. So just understand that this section is where you will register your brand and Candra Foods is already registered. So for every question that arises on your mind when you get started with Amazon Seller Central account, so you have very detailed learning materials for everything, right? How to apply for a GTN Global Trade Identity Number exemption. So we have got the exemption, okay, and it's showing tick mark. Probably learning completed. Yes, you see that learning is completed on this account. Back to 2021 or 20, I guess. You see here learning is completed. How to add or list a product that is not available on in Amazon's catalog. We did not go through this material, but then the product has been added. How to add a list of product which is already available on Amazon, even that is done. Recently updated everything you need to know. There's so many topics. See, for everything, see, you don't have to worry. Once you get started with Amazon Seller Central, these materials will be super useful to handle your store. So there is about A plus content. Know about A plus content. Watch the video to know more about A plus contents.
Hello, sellers. Welcome to a complete guide.
Okay. So, guys, the main part of this is understanding how to launch the product and what kind of details or information is important to launch the product. And second thing is reporting and understanding couple of competitor metrics, keywords performance for which keywords we are ranking, and everything else are like the basic settings or something that will help you to optimize your account further. If you are capable of reading all of these reports, you will be able to get lots of insights from it, and accordingly you will be able to implement so many things. Okay, see, in today's class you might have found difficult to understand certain things because of no data at all. Okay, when it comes to reports or growth, you couldn't see any data at all on this account. Okay, and but still, trust me, it's not going to be difficult. It's all easy to understand once you get started with Amazon Seller Center. Okay, so this is all about the various features or options that we have learned, along with how to list a product. Okay, and in the upcoming classes we'll understand how to launch the campaigns on Amazon, the paid marketing, so the paid promotion. See, now if you go to any product, you will see ads. So look at this is an ad. You see it as sponsored. All these are ads. All these are ads. You see here sponsored. So you can run ads on Amazon as well. Okay, so this right side what you see are also ads. Okay, so we'll learn how to run these kinds of ads on Amazon website in the coming classes. Okay, can we wind it up for today? Everybody?
Yes, sir. Yeah, okay.
Okay, fine, then we'll connect back again on Monday.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah,
Thank you.
thank you.